One is that we've got to open our eyes to the fact that Canadian foreign policy is determined by the interests of the Canadian ruling class, not by how many people show up at a demonstration or by popular will or by who we vote for in the next election. If we want to change Canadian foreign policy to make it a force for justice and liberation rather than for colonization and imperialism, we need to organize to actually overthrow this system, which means we need to organize the one force that can really challenge the economic power of the Canadian ruling class, which is the multinational working class of this country. Protest is important for coming together, for showing our solidarity, for not feeling overwhelmed and isolated and defeated. But if we actually want to change things, we need to be serious about organizing a material force that can make that change. And in this country, the multinational working class is the only social force that can challenge the Canadian billionaire oligarchy. Class struggle and socialism are the antidote to capitalist parasitism and its imperialist tentacles stretched across the globe.
We are the Black Panthers, we are the Double Tigers, we are Al-Ansar, we are the Zapatistas, we are the SLN, and yes, we are Hezbollah and we are Hamas. Our resistance has existed for centuries. Israel burn, burn! Israel burn, burn! Palestinians will return! Israel is a terrorist state!
The Brigade Shaheed Izzuddin al-Qassam broke through the apartheid wall of Gaza and went back to get back their ancestral homes. On this day, in the first 20 minutes of Tufan al-Aqsa, 5,000 rockets went straight to Tel Aviv. On this day, we celebrate Tufan al-Aqsa. We celebrate the most brilliant and beautiful operation done by our resistance. This is a day to celebrate getting our land back.
Palestine will be free.
VPD used to do what IOF does now. VPD, KKK, IOF, you're all the same.
غزة غزة. Today's celebrated Aqsa, October 7th. Today is the day that the brigade of martyrs that needed Aqsa shall not fail to rock in the fraternity. Oh, and I see here, a screen handle on the name. Shame, shame, Indigo!
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 Boycott 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 Indigo!
Intifada! 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 Long live the Intifada! Settlers go